So, g'day people, how you going? My name is Glenn, and today we're going to learn how to use the word chunder. So, what does chunder mean? Chunder means when you're vomiting. So, that's what happens when you chunder. You just throw up or spew everywhere. And it's not very nice because it's very disgusting. Unless you're hungry, then you can swallow it again. So to chunder means to vomit. So how would you use this in a sentence? We went out for a party last night and lots of people chundered everywhere. To use it in the past tense, my friend chundered last night. Present tense, my friend is chundering. Future tense, I wonder if my friend will chunder. So the future is just chunder, which is the actual base verb to chunder. So I hope this actually helps you with your Australian English. And when you go out, and generally when you drink alcohol, or maybe you get food poisoning or something, don't chunder everywhere, because there are certain places where you should chunder. All over someone's table at dinner time is not one of them. Thank you very much. Have an awesome English lesson time, people. Bye-bye.